Cat with the eye patch is officially a pirate.
Ready your rifles! Fire!
I don't know why I resisted for so long. Pirate life was a blast.
Stop him, you fools! He's just one cat!
Surrender, or taste English steel!
Come on, fellas, it doesn't have to be like this. Sorry, chum, you're about to become shark bait.
That's a cut. Excellent work, MOC. I felt the thrill of your battle in my very bones.
That's a cut, everyone!
What about my performance? This accent is a pain in the... What the hell is that?
This wasn't in the script. Man, I hate rewrites.
How perfect. How stunning. This is exactly what our film has been missing.
The craft had me in a trance. I knew it might be dangerous, but I couldn't look away. Some internal force compelled me to chase them, like a laser pointer moving across the floor. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm doing this. The bioluminescent algae got me nervous. Was there something down there? If I'm not careful with the ship, the studio's totally gonna blacklist me.
Whoa! Those are killer special effects!
This is magnificent. So chaotic, so real. We must capture it all.
Whoa, where the hell did that come from? The craft's spell was instantly broken. Just in time for me to remember I don't know how to sail. This is gonna be rough.
Bravo, Mean Cat. It was beautiful. It was epic.
It was expensive. Very expensive.
Yep, definitely blacklisted.
Well, that sounds like quite the curious encounter. Even for you, my friend.
Holy shit, dude. I'm so jealous. I can't believe you saw a real UFO.
I don't know who fired that rocket, but there's definitely something weird happening down here.
I scanned the coast and found a strange heat signature for you to check out. Maybe you'll find some answers there.
It better not be just some out-of-control beach barbecue. I don't have all day and I ain't hungry. That was a bit of a lie. Thanks to my crash, production was shut down for the next few days. Between the spooky speedway and my adventure with Santa Claus, the past couple of months had been a blur. I desperately needed some R&R, but curiosity got the best of me as usual. The crash site was surprisingly intact. No cops, no reporters, no curious locals poking around. Either I was early to the party, or someone wanted this kept quiet. As I followed the trail of ooze deeper into the cave, I could feel my survival instinct screaming at me to turn around. Too bad I stopped listening to those years ago. When I found the source, it was still leaking the pink shit, glowing like a neon sign that said, "Don't touch." Unfortunately for me, not everyone can read.
I thought you hated getting wet.
Guess it was only a matter of time before we ran into each other again, eh?
I've missed you too. Now grab your things, we're about to have company.
Lex showing up when I needed her was convenient. Too convenient. I couldn't help wonder what she was really after. Hope you got a plan, Lex. This ain't a big island.
Oh, now you want a plan? 5 minutes ago, you were chasing UFOs in a pirate ship. You look fabulous. Congratulations. follow my lead.
You gonna tell me what you're doing here?
Come with me and I'll show you. Just try to keep up.